So this little puppy gets the hiccups for the very first time and completely loses it. Every single hiccup makes him flinch and spin around like something just snuck up on him. He starts staring at his own chest, then his belly, then his chest again. You can actually see the exact moment he decides something inside him is alive and plotting against him. He backs into the corner, eyes huge, waiting. Then another hiccup hits and he jumps straight up. Buddy, that's just you. That's all you. I cannot stop watching this little guy.